So if you ever lived in a property as your principal place of residence, you may be able to claim the main residence exemption, which means that the capital gains tax that you were supposed to pay, even though you made $1 million on the sale of the property, as long as you can consider it your home and the land is 2 hectares or less, and you haven't used it to produce any income, and at some points you can, but in this case you haven't, the whole thing is exempt, which is amazing. There is this myth where people say, oh, I'll just move into the property for 6 months, then move back out, then it's completely exempt for capital gains tax. That's not true at all. That's where the proportionate value will come in. So what would happen is, say you owned the property for 2 years and moved into it for the last 6 months. The first year and a half, it was rented out. That means 75% of it will be taxable. 25% of that property would not be taxable because of the fact that you only moved in for 25% of the lifetime. So technically, the exemption won't apply. There's a 6-year rule that people use. So the 6-year main residence exemption is treating a former home as main residence. So you can't treat like a new home you've purchased and then say it's like 6 years back then or from like future. You have to move into it first. So if you actually had the property as your investment property at the start, then technically for the starting period of it being an investment property, you can't use the 6-year rule on it.